guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 18 of Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. Yan, what are you saying? Who bullied you? Tell me, I'll stand up for you. Tamo to? Galing, galing magdrama. This angelic bitch is quite good. Her acting is impressive. Yeah, kung sa drawing pa nga, magaling din pagka-drawing. Impressive din. Parang kasing approach nitong new host natin is para siyang straightforward siguro to. Kaya lagi siyang parang si Shuang din sa sa Date Someone or Die. No wonder both of their biological parents were deceived by her, favoring her and thinking that the original host is petty, jealous, and slandering the talented Chu Shuang. Alright then, I'll slowly tell you. I can act too. The original host was just too straightforward, which allowed Xu Shuang to steal everything from her and bully her relentlessly. Clang. Ano na naman yan? Oh no, it must be something with Jing Yao. What could possibly happen to Lu Jingyao next door? Alright. I remember from the system data, Lu Jingyao has had asthma since childhood. Could it be an attack? Bakit kaya atakihin siya ng asthma din naman? Tapos syempre, tatakbo na naman yung isa. Magpapaka-hero. How do you feel? Are you alright? Siya ba to? Oo, siya yung kapatid niya, di ba? Na babae. Jingyao, where is your medicine? I'll get it for you. Diba? Napaka-drama. You. Is this Dimma trying to save him or trying to kill him? Shushuang, move aside. Hindi siya marunong ng first aid. Yan, now is not the time for your jealousy and impulsiveness. Wala kang alam paano gagawin eh. Jingyao is having an asthma attack, and if not treated promptly, it could be fatal. I'm asking him where's medicine. Don't delay it from helping him. Ba, gagawa ka pa ng eksenang babaita ka. If he had medicine, wouldn't he have used it during the attack just now? Bobita ka din kasi. Set aside, you're the one causing the delay. Your actions are actually harming him. Tama. Oh, may inhaler ka naman pala. Inhaler ba yan? Spray. Phew, diba? Relief. Yan, why do you have asthma medicine? Did you steal Jingyao's medicine on purpose to harm him? Wala, kapal ng mukha. Gumawa pa ng storya, sira ulo tong babaeng to. Gumawa pa ng chika. This angelic bitch is really scheming. She won't let go of any opportunity and even wants to frame me. What a despicable move. So marami na siguro itong ginawa na yung parang pataphaw lang na bakit mo ginano? Bakit mo ay nako. Back to the first year of high school. As for why the original host suddenly worried about such an accident. Inatake na din siya before. In their first year of high school, Lu Jingyao had a similar incident where he had a seizure alone at home and almost died. Fortunately, the original host heard the sound from next door and climbed over the balcony despite the danger, finding spare medicine for him, thus saving his life. At that time, Lu Jingyao's condition was much worse than today. He was delirious, only seeing a girl approaching him with a crystal pendant. refracting colorful light. Yan lang yung naaalala niya. 2 years ago, when Shushung was reborn, the first thing she did was steal the crystal necklace, claiming it has her own and falsely attributing original host credit. Ah, hindi naman pala sa'yo yan. When the original host explained, she was instead labeled as a jealous and greedy schemer by others. Do you really like me that much? Does she really like me to such an extent? Don't get moved. That's in the past. I told you, I've decided not to like you anymore. From now on. I'm serious. Ito na naman. Di ba? Galit-galit yarn. I'm sorry, Jingyao. It's my fault not for being careful enough. I'll make sure to carry your medicine with me from now on, so this won't happen again. Well, bakit? Obligasyon mo siya? Girlfriend yarn? Shuang, you don't need to blame yourself. I'll be more cautious in the future. The Grammy Awards goes to you pala. Ganun. Oscar owes Shu Shuang an Academy Award. Such a flawless acting. Wow. Enjoy your sweet moment. I'm leaving. Pawak-hawak ka na. Today, I said some unpleasant things to you. While it's true that I don't have any romantic feelings for you. Ano naman ngayon? Wala naman siyang problema na, di ba? Sabi na nga, titigilan ka na niya. As a guy, I shouldn't have treated a girl with such a bad attitude. Wala na, too late na. Are you apologizing to me? Yeah, sort of. Hindi natin ngayon. Okay, I forgive you. The original host liked him so much. She definitely wouldn't blame him. You better rest. Make sure to keep more of your medication handy. I can guarantee I'll always be there to save you. Tama nga naman. Katawan mo yan, obligasyon mo yan. Alangan naman siya magdala lagi ng gamot for you, di ba? I can't give Chu Yan any chance to get close to Lu Jingyao anymore. Itong isa naman selosa. Lu Jingyao will become the founder of an artificial intelligence robotics company in the future, worth billions. Ay, may hidden agenda ang ate mo. Campera. I won't repeat the mistake of my previous life. Watching Chu Yan being loved by three outstanding men and becoming a winner in life. Reborn din siya? Tapos magiging sikat siya. Tapos tatlong magagaling ng mga anong mag-aaway for her. At ayaw niya mangyari yun. All of this glory should belong to me, Chu Shuang. Ay, ang kapal ng mukha, mga agaw. 7. What are the original host wishes in this world? The original host's first wish is to reclaim everything that Chu Shuang took away from her and clear her name. Okay, let's see what will happen. Chu Yan, Chu Shuang, the older sister, Lu Jingyao, neighbor, Rung Chi, classmate, Yiting, the older brother. So who are those persons? The original host had helped 3 people, not just Lu Jingyao, but 2 others as well. Since I don't have the classes this afternoon, I might as well go meet the other person. Who should I choose? His older brother? No way. Go for older brother. Wala ka namang klase. So, pag may klase ka, si classmate na, di ba? Mark, take him down. She is a true racing god. Ay, si classmate yung pinuntahan niya. Ay, ang pogi ni classmate ah. Hi, classmate. Alright, so that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen on the next coming one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.